First of all, Fab Labs create a playground. It's like a technological playground for kids to create and explore.
As a science teacher, I love the fact that I'm trained in innovation generation, able to bring the students in to use the machines, work through the kinks as I'm working through them as well, and then just recreating solutions to problems that they have and creating these prototypes, and then eventually the models that will be sent into the world that they can use. And I think just them seeing that actual final end task is incredibly huge.
The days when a teacher would stand in front of the classroom and lecture to a group full of students, that day is gone. It's long gone. Students need to have hands-on experiences. They need to be able to create, and basically this kind of training gives us the necessary tools to help them as they try to explore, you know, and the way we look at it is if they can think of it, if they can imagine it, then they can design it, then they can create it.
It's going to be more applicable to their real life, what they're going to be looking at in the future. And some of my students will go on to be painters and sculptors, but some of my students are going to go on to be engineers and scientists and, you know, just different things that are not going to involve art. And I think that having this be in their world is going to make it so that they understand some of these processes a little more, because it'll be part of who they are.
It's very exciting to be a part of a program like this where you're bringing cutting-edge technology and putting it in the hands of kids. You know, it's the Fab Labs that we're going to have access to are exciting for our specific population, but also then to be able to take that out and share that within our community and the other schools within our district. And so now kids are not only working on the technical aspect, but now they have to go and present that to whether that's community members or elementary school students. And so they're working on some of those soft skills too. I think the one thing about this program and this project is that it forces you to think about teaching differently. You know, it's more than what you've done in the past, and it's learning how to juggle. You know, not every kid's gonna be able to do the exact same thing at the exact same time. So it's refreshing as an educator to force yourself to think differently outside the classroom, and then to have some resources that allow you to do that is just an exciting opportunity.
What we're doing is we're trying to spark innovation. At our school, at STEM Middle, that's what we want to do, is spark innovation and encourage creativity. Innovation generation is all about that. Fab Labs are all about that. So we bring all that together to try to create the best teaching and learning experience for our students. The opportunities are really endless, and Innovation Generation does a good job of giving us the background necessary to pass that on to the kids.